What's up, my OGs? This is Emily. I'm back with another video. Today's video is just gonna be on this unit from Cynosure Hair, and if you're interested, just keep on watching. Bye, y'all. Okay, guys, so here is sis, and this unit is from Cynosure Hair, and this is their 4 or 26 inch Jerry Curly. It'll be in the description box, curly or Jerry Curly, I can't remember, but yeah. So we're just gonna pop this on. Well, I'm gonna adjust the straps and then pop this on. So freaking pretty, y'all. Like what let me be sure about everything. I'm gonna look it up and see. Email wasn't clarifying at all, but I think it's a 24 inch. It's a 24 inch curly, and it's supposed to be transparent lace, but this is like definitely like medium brown, which is cool because this lace color matches me perfectly fine. I just prefer transparent, but it ain't no thing. Really, I have just not been like, I haven't been talking in a lot of my videos. For one, I have a question, like where and no disrespect at all, but I feel like lately I've been getting like a ton of like foreigners commenting on my videos. Like, I don't know, like, have y'all noticed that? Or like, it's just been super weird to me because like I live in America, you know what I'm saying? Like, I don't know if it's like a way that I should be tagging my videos to like stop the shit, but I don't know, like it's just been really weird. And then like some of them do comment in English, but it's like broken English, and then the other ones be like in their language, and I'm just like, why are you even here? Like, what do you want? Y'all, like what do you want? Leave me alone. I don't know what you're saying. Leave me alone. I don't know if you're cussing me out or complimenting me at this point. You gotta leave me alone. So yeah, that's been a thing that's been happening. I've been blocking them. I mean, they haven't all been negative. Some of them have been, but my video I did for Sealy Hair, my last video for Sealy Hair, like first and foremost, I don't know why so many people have a problem with that video. Like, it's so problematic for whatever reason. And it's like, yes, I have contacts in. It's a fucking sponsorship. Like, y'all see my eyes. I don't wear contacts. They look dark on camera, but my eyes are brown as fuck in person. Like, I love my eyes. So I don't know. And they were like, is this not cultural appropriation? And I'm just like, what culture would that be appropriating? Because last time I checked, them folks, they had no culture. But I'm gonna shut my mouth because y'all don't want to know how I really feel. So yeah, but I'm just like, y'all don't have to watch it if you don't like me. If you don't like me, stay off my channel. I'm not gonna stop posting videos. I'm not gonna stop doing my hair the way I do my hair. I'm not gonna stop doing my makeup the way I do my makeup. I'm not gonna stop feeling like I'm a bad bitch. I'm not gonna stop feeling like I'm blessed and highly favored. So what? You just gonna be blocked. Like, what? I'm trying to figure it out. Like, what's the point? I be wondering what the point is, because I see hate comments on like almost every YouTuber, on every YouTuber's videos that I watch, and I'm wondering what the point of the shit is. Like, they still uploading videos, they still making money, they still flourishing. Like, you didn't stop nothing. So what was the point? Like, nobody responded back to you. You just looked stupid at the end. What like go get some business. Like, I watch drama and stuff on YouTube because child, it be juicy. But as far as like commenting, no ma'am, I'm never gonna do it unless it's like something about housewives, like a drama channel that wants you to indulge about like people you don't know, like not people within your community. Like you'll never see me like commenting on another YouTuber's video about that YouTuber or another, like that's just like stupid. But if they ask like your opinion on, oh, like the Kenya and Nene drama, like I will be like, oh, I think that they both don't like each other. They're both to a sense being immature, but Kenya wrong in most of the things that she's done this season. She's been wrong. Like that's the type of stuff I comment on. But I don't feel the need to sit up and just like comment on regular people all day long. I don't know, it's just weird. Okay, ladies, so right here, all I'm doing is unsticking my baby hairs from the foam. This just makes them look much softer and more natural after you lay them down. Just go in with your comb and just kind of pick them back up and brush them out, and this makes them look fluffy instead of like stuck down to your head. Okay, y'all, so this is the finished look. And I did do my baby hair a little different today. I just wanted to try it. I've been seeing it on Instagram and I just wanted to try it. But it's okay. I like it. It is really like baby hairish. You know what I'm saying? Like it's very baby hairish. But I do like it. And this unit is so full and so pretty. The curls are just gorgeous. I didn't wet them all the way just because it's a lot of hair and I didn't want to be soaked. It's already cold, child. Got my heater on. Whew, God. But yeah, the unit is super pretty, super soft, and surprisingly, it's not like shedding. Like when I was brushing it, I got a little bit of hair in my brush, obviously, but it's not like doing the most. So definitely appreciate that. And it's super soft. The lace, like I said, was a medium brown. It wasn't transparent, but I can definitely work with medium brown lace since I'm a brown girl. Yeah, like I'm here for this. I like it, like it, like it. I think it's so cute. The style turned out cute. Everything is just super cute and nice quality, sis. Yeah, so this is the end of the video, and I don't know if I said it, but I have it in a medium cap. I did bleach the knots, I did pluck it, but it did come a little bit pre-plucked. So if you were to get it, it would come a little bit pre-plucked, but not as plucked as mine is because I did pluck it. Yeah, in 24 inches. Said that. Curly, Cynosure. Yeah, I like it, like it, like it. I love you guys, and I'll talk to y'all in my next one.